No way you clicked this video. If you are offended by this video, kindly subscribe and like the video. Here are ways you can invest $420. 1. Set up a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. A dividend reinvestment plan is basically when you buy dividend-paying stocks. You can then reinvest whatever dividends you earn into buying more stock over time. Your money then gets to grow over time through these reinvestments. This approach, combined with the power of compound interest, is one way of putting your money to work for you. You can open a DRIP account with most brokerages. 2. Buy a certificate of deposit. A certificate of deposit, aka CD, is a safe way to invest $420. Certificates of deposit are one of the safest investing avenues that exist because you get a guaranteed return on your investment in terms of the interest that is paid to you based on the initial deposit agreement you enter, regardless of what's happening in the economy. Not only is your return guaranteed, but your money is also FDIC insured. It's important to keep in mind that interest rates on CD are only slightly higher than savings accounts. However, when it comes to emergency funds or money you need for short-term goals, the whole idea is to keep that money easily accessible and not tied up in any investments. This way, when you need it, it's there. The last thing you want is for the money you might need relatively soon to be tied up in an investment or impacted by a market decline. 3. Start a side hustle or online business. Starting a side hustle is one of the best ways to invest $420. You could buy goods or supplies to start out with or get a website up and running. For example, buying popular items to flip for a profit is one of the easiest side hustles to start. You can find popular items such as furniture, appliances, gently used baby products, etc. on websites or yard sales. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, consignment shops, and thrift stores are a few places you can find great items to flip. You can then resell them for a higher price through the same avenues. If you're looking for an unconventional way to invest your money, why not also try starting an online business? Traditional brick-and-mortar businesses require a lot of capital to get up and running, but the same cannot be said for an online business. You won't need office space, a warehouse, or expensive equipment. In all likelihood, you won't need to invest $420 either. It will cost much less than that. Here are some popular online business ideas. Starting and monetizing a blog. Selling things on eBay or Craigslist. Selling services like freelancing writing, editing, or graphic design. Opening an e-commerce store. Buying items and flipping them for profit. 4. Use robo-advisors. A robo-advisor is a simple online investment platform. When you sign up, you'll fill out a list of questions and the company will create an investment portfolio for you. Robo-advisors tailor your investment portfolio to you and how conservative or risky you are. A robo-advisor will have fewer capabilities and services than you'll receive if you work with a financial advisor. For example, you won't receive personalized advice based on your financial goals. But the fees are low and it's a great way to invest $420 in the stock market. Robo-advisors also offer several investing options, including Roth IRA, Traditional IRA, Solo 401(k)s, Taxable accounts. 5. Open a high-interest savings account. If you're not quite ready to start investing, then you could try opening a high-interest savings account. This is an easy, low-risk way to start earning interest on your money. The average high-interest savings account pays about 1% in interest. Of course, you're not going to get the same kinds of returns that you would if you invested that money in the stock market. But this is a better option than doing nothing, and your savings account could serve as a long-term emergency fund. 6. Pay down your debt. Paying down your debt is one of the best investments you can make in your future. This is especially true if you have high-interest credit card debt.